Most people get this wrong. They assume Fast Funds USA is just another payday loan service. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's evolved into a versatile financial platform, offering early wage access, installment payment options, and spending insights to help users manage money more efficiently. Here's how it works. Fast Funds USA allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is ideal for covering unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent purchases without turning to high-interest credit cards. Some purchases can also be split into smaller payments, giving you better control over monthly budgets. The app is simple, intuitive, and user-friendly. You can track advances, view repayment schedules, and even analyze spending patterns. Push notifications help prevent missed payments and fees, keeping your finances on track. The downside? Overuse can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can result in fees, so it's best used as a short-term solution rather than a long-term financial strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications enabled for repayment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh convenience. In conclusion, Fast Funds USA in 2026 is practical and flexible, but only if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and tips to help you stay in control of your finances.